Perfection is a continuous process. It can never be attained and never be retained. At Steelbuild Infra Projects, our entire management, customer service, and team of professionals strive to perfection to deliver stronger and durable pre-engineered steel buildings. With a sprawling manufacturing infrastructure having a capacity of 25,000 metric ton per annum and having delivered 500 projects across India, Steelbuild Infra Projects provides unrivaled quality, unmatched efficiency, and unbeatable value in designing and manufacturing modern PEB steel buildings. Steelbuild Infra Projects is an ISO 9001-2015 accredited company with world-class manufacturing capabilities at Sonipat, with 2 dedicated units for steel structure buildings. From the initial consultation all the way to erection, Steelbuild Infra Project provides a total solution for pre-engineered buildings. Whether it's industrial, commercial, or residential, Steelbuild Infra Project offers progressive technology with custom designs to provide maximum space utilization, excellent strength, and minimum waste building use case. We employ state-of-the-art advanced technologies and custom-developed tools to manufacture sustainable designs that ensure the longevity of the products. We go the extra mile to ensure that all building materials and their sources are verified and certified before manufacturing as per the client's demands. Our relentless pursuits in optimizing our indigenous production process have led to higher quality, longer lasting, and safer buildings. Notable names like Jindal, Minda, Adani, Tata, Amazon, HUL, Godrej, Dabur, DHEL, Reliance, etc. have trusted Steelbuild Infra Project for their PEB buildings, which speaks volumes about our quality and commitment to delivering only the best. Steelbuild Infra Project, where commitment is quality.